Today we are going to learn about mastering memory profiling in Python applications, focusing on efficiently profiling memory usage using advanced tools and techniques. By the end, you'll be able to identify and resolve memory bottlenecks in Python programs.
In this video, we begin our journey by exploring the significance of memory profiling within Python applications. Memory profiling is a crucial practice that allows developers to understand how their programs are utilizing memory, which is essential for optimizing performance. In data-intensive tasks, poor memory management can lead to inefficiencies that degrade application speed and responsiveness. Throughout this video, we'll delve into the tools and techniques used in memory profiling, tackle common challenges in managing memory, and equip you with the skills to identify and fix memory-related issues. By the end of this session, you'll be proficient in pinpointing memory bottlenecks and implementing solutions to enhance your application's performance.
Before diving into memory profiling, it is crucial to set up an appropriate Python environment. Start by installing Python, ensuring you have the latest version. Use package managers like pip to install essential profiling libraries. Configuring a development environment involves setting up a virtual environment, which isolates dependencies and ensures consistency across different projects. Opt for an integrated development environment, IDE, like PyCharm or VS Code, which provides built-in support for Python and facilitates easier debugging and profiling. Additionally, prepare sample scripts to test memory usage, focusing on various data structures and operations. This preparation lays the foundation for effective memory profiling and analysis. One of the most popular tools for memory profiling in Python is memory_profiler. This library provides a straightforward way to track memory usage of your code. To begin, install memory_profiler using pip. Once installed, you can use it to annotate your functions with the @profile decorator. When you run your script, memory_profiler will output detailed memory usage reports for each function, helping you understand which parts of your code are consuming the most memory. Through practical examples, we'll demonstrate how to interpret these reports, highlighting areas where memory usage can be optimized. This tool is invaluable in identifying memory hotspots and implementing improvements.
Interpreting memory usage graphs and reports is pivotal in memory profiling. These graphs provide a visual representation of how memory is consumed over time and across different functions. By identifying trends and spikes in memory usage, you can pinpoint functions or operations that are inefficient. Function-level analysis allows you to see exactly where memory is being used and helps in diagnosing issues like memory leaks. Visualization tools, such as matplotlib or Seaborn, can be used to create comprehensive graphs that aid in the analysis. Understanding these visualizations will empower you to make informed decisions about where optimizations are needed, ensuring your application runs smoothly and efficiently.
Memory leaks occur when memory that is no longer needed is not released, leading to inefficient memory usage and potential application crashes. Detecting memory leaks in Python can be challenging but is essential for maintaining a healthy application. Common causes include holding references to unused objects and circular references. Tools like Objdgraph and Pinpuller can assist in detecting leaks by identifying objects that are consuming memory unnecessarily. Once detected, strategies such as refactoring code, using weak references, or implementing garbage collection can be employed to fix inefficient code. Addressing memory leaks will significantly enhance your application's performance and reliability.
Let's put theory into practice by profiling a sample Python script. We'll walk through the entire profiling process step by step, starting with executing the script using memory_profiler. As we analyze the memory usage reports, we'll identify areas with high memory consumption and potential bottlenecks. Next, we'll implement various optimizations, such as revising data structures, optimizing loops, or using more memory-efficient algorithms. After applying these changes, we'll re-evaluate the script's performance to quantify the improvements. This practical example will reinforce your understanding of memory profiling and equip you with the skills to apply these techniques to your own projects. While memory_profiler is an excellent tool for memory profiling, it's important to be aware of other available options. Tools such as tracemalloc, Objdgraph, and Guppy3 offer different features and benefits. Each tool has its pros and cons, depending on the specific task at hand. For example, tracemalloc provides a detailed trace of memory allocations, while Objdgraph is useful for visualizing object graphs. Understanding the use cases for each tool will help you select the one that best suits your needs. Integrating these tools into your development workflow will enhance your ability to manage memory efficiently and optimize application performance. Effective memory management is vital for developing high-performance Python applications. Choosing the right data structures, such as using lists instead of dictionaries when possible, can significantly reduce memory usage. Avoid common pitfalls like unnecessary object references or excessive object creation. Implementing garbage collection practices, such as using the GC module, helps reclaim memory from unused objects. Writing memory-efficient code involves optimizing algorithms and avoiding redundant operations. It's essential to continuously monitor and optimize memory usage throughout the application lifecycle. Adhering to these best practices ensures your application remains efficient, scalable, and responsive to user demands.
As we conclude this session on mastering memory profiling in Python applications, let's recap the key points covered. We've explored various memory profiling tools and techniques, emphasizing the importance of optimization and enhancing application performance. You now possess the skills to identify and resolve memory bottlenecks, ensuring your Python programs run efficiently. I encourage you to apply these techniques in your projects and continue honing your skills. For further learning, explore additional resources and community forums. Thank you for joining this session, and I wish you success in your memory profiling endeavors.